when we're adding and subtracting complex numbers together, we really want to think of it as just combining like terms, meaning you add or subtract the real parts together, and then you add or subtract the imaginary parts together. So let's go ahead and simplify some examples here. I've got 3 plus the square root of negative 16. Now I'm going to rewrite that as square root of negative 1 is I, square root of 16 is 4. So I'm going to write that as 4I. Also, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative sign. This will be, subtracting negative 3, so plus 3, and then subtracting. Let me simplify the square root of negative 25. The square root of negative 25 is, square root of 25 is 5, and then the negative comes out as I. Okay, so now I have this all simplified here, and I can combine the real parts together. 3 plus 3 is 6. And then the imaginary parts, 4I minus 5I is negative I. So that's how this simplifies. Again, see if you can simplify anything first. And then we're really just combining like terms, treating I as if it were just like a variable. All right, let's do this next example. Negative 6 plus I root 11 minus 9 plus I root 6. Okay, so I don't have anything to simplify over here. So I don't really need these parentheses. Negative 6 plus I root 11, and then minus 9 plus I root 6. So let's combine those real parts together. Negative 6 minus 9, that'll be negative 15. And then the imaginary parts, I root 11 plus I root 6. Unfortunately, the root 11 and the root 6 are not really like terms, but here's what I can do. I can say plus I, and then just almost like factor out the I from the sum. What I have left is root 11 plus root 6, and I can't really simplify them any further because they're not like terms. But that's how that would simplify.